Intro. What's up, everybody? Last video we went over what I'm going to be doing for Mars Garage Rust Bucket group build. Starts on the 1st of July, so I have a little time before it starts. So there was something I've been thinking about doing. I don't know, just thought it might be fun. So I'm doing that right now. So I'm working on that right now. So we'll take a look at that. And I've been busy printing, getting ready for the diorama I'm going to do for the group build. So with that, let's take a look at everything I'm doing, shall we? Okay. So you can see this mess over here. So a while ago, I did what did I do? I did a Hot Wheels monster truck. So I didn't like it. I don't like a lot of the builds I did when I first started getting back into the hobby. You look way back in my videos and see my first builds, which I kind of despise. I think I've progressed quite a bit since then, so I've actually been putting them all in my junkyard and taking them apart. So anyway, so what I've been doing is I want to make a Monster Impala. So I've got this guy here, body I'm going to use. I'm going to strip it and paint it another color. And I've been working on recoloring the frame, but I don't want to fully take it apart because I'm afraid I'm not going to be able to get it back together. I'm not going to remember. There's a lot of little moving parts to this frame here, so I don't want to take it fully apart. I want to be able to put it back together, so I have been leaving it somewhat together and painting it. Because this was just something I was just farting around with, I wasn't too concerned about filling when I was restructuring some of it. But then, as I looked at it, I decided, you know what? Some of it's pretty gory. I am going to fill it and sand it and smooth it out. So right here, where I had to shorten it and modify the rear support so it would fit in the trunk. I hadn't filled, but it looked atrocious, so there you go. Filled it, needs some sanding. I'm changing it from the green to the red. The car I plan on painting black. I don't know exactly like what they painted this with. I did put it in the stripper, but it came out exactly like I put it in. So gonna scuff it up and repaint it. Actually, this I don't even need, right? So repainted the seats. You know, there's the painted seats. The engine, I don't know if I'm going to touch it. I mean, the valve covers actually came off, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Might just leave it as is. Like I said, just doing it till the group build starts. So yeah, that's about what I've been doing. Just been messing around. Nothing really drastic or anything. Let's take a look at what I printed off for my diorama, shall we? All right, so we've got a picnic table. Supposedly this is 1/24. I don't know. Once I get the supports off it, maybe we'll take a look. I might have to shrink it a little bit. I am going to compare like a picturesque photo or something of the size of a picnic table according to a car. I know picnic tables are pretty big, but anyway. So I haven't taken these off of any of the supports yet. So we've got an engine hoist right here. I think you can determine that through the little supports there. Well, you don't need to see those because those are for something different. We've got a little, I don't know if you can see the name right there. It's a little, come on, focus, will you? If it would focus, you could maybe see it. Well, I think it's focused, but it says snap-on. There you go. Has a snap-on on the toolbox. We've got a bunch of cinder blocks that I printed out. Maybe I should have taken these all off the supports to show you, but I didn't. So anyway, those are cinder blocks. Then I printed out a cooler. Come on, show us the cooler. And then you know, it's got the little drinking cups holders on top. Let's see what else. We got just some jack stands here. We've got the adjustable part that goes inside the jack stand right there. Let's see. We've got I think it's been focusing pretty good. We've got a hydraulic jack. I think you can see all the parts there. Let's see. We've got more. We've got a boombox. I don't know if that's still what they call them now, but you older guys will know that we used to carry these around, as huge as they were. And let's see. This one I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see because it is. Hold on. In there somewhere. There it is. No, it's not. That's not it. That's not it either. Nope. 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 Here it is. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Once it's painted, you'll be able to see it better, I guess. Definitely be able to see it better. Here we go. There's a focus. Anyway, it's a socket set. So yeah, that's everything that I printed out for to be building. I do have take these off the supports. I think I have to adjust how many supports come out on my prints. But anyway, I don't think I have any much more to show you. So that's it. That's all I got for you today. I want to thank you for stopping by. I want to thank all my old and new subscribers. And if you happen to be just passing by and you like this kind of stuff, kindly hit that like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video. With that, once again, thank you. Have a great day. God bless. And I will see you next time.